Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to do these value candy cane drawings with oil pastels and complementary colors. We are going to be learning and using complementary colors for this project. Complementary colors are colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. And when you put them together, they complement each other. They make each other look really great. So across from red, if we go all the way across, we go green. So red and green are complementary colors that you can use, like I did at this one. Another one is orange and blue are complementary colors. They are across from each other. You can do orange and blue for this. And lastly, purple and yellow are complementary colors. You can use those two colors. These are also complementary, but we don't have all of those colors in oil pastel, so those will not be options for us. So I have two already done, and I am going to make a third one. So I'm going to set this to the side. You're going to be doing this on white paper, but I wanted to show you on this color so you could see all the different steps that are hard to see on white paper. So I have my candy cane tracer. You can put it this way or this way. Both of mine are the same direction. They're both this way. So for this last one, I'm going to put it the other way. I'm going to get my pencil and trace it. I also need to make my stripes. So I am going to go from the bottom, diagonal, and those are pretty big. They're a whole finger length. They're pretty good size. There we go. And then I need to get out my colors. So since I already did red and green, blue and orange, I'm going to do purple and yellow. So here's my purple oil pastel. I'm also going to be using this lighter purple. I need white, and then I'll need yellow. I only have one color of yellow, so yellow, I'm just going to use the one yellow. You might also want a paper towel to wipe clean your oil pastel. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a white stripe highlight in the middle. And you're going to be going side to side like this, not up and down. So I don't want you going like this. That's going to make it a little harder when we blend. So side to side, right down the middle, I'm going to make kind of like a zigzaggy line. All the way. And I am rotating my paper when I need to. Okay, so that's the first step, is getting that white in the middle. You might want to plan this out beforehand. I'm using my paper towel to kind of clean this. So I'm going to do purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So I don't forget. I'm going to take my light purple and I'm going to go in that same side to side zigzag right next to the white. Just leave that white in the middle there. And then I'm going to take my dark purple and blend them together. And this, I'm gonna do another layer. So this is kind of a process of going one color back and forth to the next color. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure my white is clean. And I'm gonna go right in the middle there and kind of blend into the purple a little bit. There we go. And there's my purple. Okay. Then with my yellow, I don't have a light and dark yellow. I just have the one yellow. And that's the same for blue. So you'll do the same kind of process with blue. There's only one blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to press down nice and hard on the edge to get a nice bright yellow. And then I'm gonna press a little lighter as I get to the white. And then to make my yellow light, I'm gonna clean off my white. I don't want that purple into my yellow. There we go. And I'm gonna go on top of that yellow to make the light yellow. And then I'm gonna go back to yellow and blend them together. And there's my purple, yellow. I'll do purple one more time to show you. I'm gonna go with my light purple right next to my white. Remember, I'm going side to side, not up and down, side to side. Now my dark purple. And it's okay that I'm going outside my lines because we're gonna cut this out. And I'm gonna layer back to my light purple. I'm going into my purple and blending them together. And then I'm gonna clean the yellow off my oil pastel and blend in the middle. Okay, and that is how we're going to make our value candy cane. We're going from light in the middle to give it some dimension to dark on the edges.